These are Drop's new DCD 100 Acres keycap set inspired by Winnie the Pooh. Designed by Beesley and Cthalupa and now available for pre-order on Drop's website until July 11th, if you're a fan of PBT Die Sub and Winnie the Pooh, I recommend you give these a look. Don't have FOMO though, the most important thing is to spend responsibly. The pre-order window will come back in the future, and these keycaps will be restocked for the foreseeable future. There are also 3 variants of desk mats which I don't have currently, but the designs are fantastic. To watch my review video on these keycap sets, check out the related video. The keycap listing on Drop is also in the video description. Love you all, and have a great 4th of July weekend.